comes another one from across the two-story house down the street, across the street, but he's coming from down the street. He's coming right here really slow. The other one just exited there, and then there's another one out here I can't see yet. So now he's right here above the tree, flying towards Geronimo Montilla, away from Alicia, revving his engine. So now he's turning towards me. This is 171, 181, and he's went like this, and now he's coming towards me. Possible that I missed a helicopter out here, and that's why there's just this weird sound. There's another aircraft. Possible that I missed one, and that's what that civilian was distracting me for. That's very civilian like.